We'll guide you through how to install a SIM card on an Android phone. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. With a SIM card installed, you can then go and make and receive phone calls and also go and send and receive text messages as well. So when you go and do this, you'll then go and have a number you're going to be able to go and use. Make sure it's this full guide and don't go and skip ahead, otherwise you may go and miss an important part of this guide. Without any other further ado, let's get started. So just to go and show you at the moment, if I go and drag down, we can go and see at the top here that you've got no SIM and no service. Same for me. So what you can do is we need to go and have a SIM card. So I've got this one here. You can go and get these from a network provider or a shop. You can go and have them as a contract. So you pay monthly and have a certain amount of data, minutes and texts, or just go and have a pay-as-you-go system as well, where you pay what you use. Now, what we need to do is we need to go and locate the SIM card tray. So this is where the SIM is going to go and be. So start looking on the sides of the phone. It's quite easy to go and find, as it's going to go and have a little sort of cutout, or it's going to be sort of, you can see a tray because it's going to be removable and it'll have a little hole. So this is it here on the top left, but it will vary. Now you need to go and have a SIM card tool. So here is mine here. One should come with your phone in the box, but you can always use a paper clip, or I unfolded a keyring here, a small piece of metal. So now what we can do is with the tool is we can go and put it into the hole, push down like so, and it should then go and pop out. Then you can go and remove the tray like this. And what we then need to do is go and get the SIM. Make sure you go and fit it correctly. You can go and put it in quite easily because it's going to go and have a corner which is missing. So align it, and then what you can do is go and push it in like so. Now, if you go and drag down at the top, you can go and see EE and I've got service. Leave a like if you found this useful.